Stacey, welcome back.
Thank you.
Good. So you've done a bit of training here with us at Prepare to Pass.
Yes.
And did you notice the difference compared to where you were going before as to our techniques and style here?
100%, especially today.
Would you like to share that with the students?
With my driving, I was not doing the crossover, and by doing the crossover today, got me my confidence.
Oh, hand over hand steering.
That's the one.
Yeah. And compared to previous training, to our style, what did you notice?
Strict, but confident at the same time.
Yeah. You understand what the strictness was about, don't you?
Yes.
Because we don't want you failing a driving test, do we?
No, and car accidents.
And yeah, so it all came together beautifully for you.
Yes.
Well done. So you've come all the way from Galway.
Yes, I have.
And anything else you want to share with the other students? Aha!
I got this!
You certainly have. What were you saying before? It's only taken you how many years?
15 years.
And a couple of sessions here.
That's it.
So you had Teresa and you've had myself.
Yep.
You experienced both training. And you said you enjoyed both styles too, anyway.
Yes.
So it was well done.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Well done, Stacey.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
And thanks for choosing Prepare to Pass.
Thank you.
See ya.
See ya.